is my fastest way to start a beat so it behaves like a song and not just a loop. There are 3 core elements only: 1 groove, 1 motif, and 1 bass. Any textures has to earn its place. I always have to start with drums. If the groove isn't right, if the pocket's not right, the track can't run and it won't be a solid groove. The motif is where the emotion is. It doesn't have to be clever. It just has to say something. This isn't a new part. This is just a bed to give the piano some air. So the bass doesn't lead here, but what it does, it glues the track together and makes it sound expensive. So speed comes from decisions, not options. If the core works, finishing the rest of the song becomes a lot more easier. So next episode, I'm going to be breaking down 5 Moog Messenger sounds and how I use them to sample them back into the MPC, then create an actual track with these sounds and not just use them as a layer.